Good day, everybody in the finance world. Today I'm going to show you how to take funds from your PayPal account and put them into your Binance account. So without further ado, let's go. Once we're in our PayPal app, you can see over here that I have crypto. Now, if you can't find it up here, you can go down to the bottom of your page. You'll find finances and you'll be able to find it in there. However, I've added it as a shortcut. Now you're going to go in there and you can see right at the top, you will have crypto selected. And now you want to go ahead and select the actual cryptocurrency that you would like to transfer to your Binance account. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin right over here at the top, and once you have chosen it, you can select it and you'll go down to the bottom of the page. You'll see buy, sell, and you'll also see two arrows opposite direction of themselves. So what you're going to do is click on that. That's now the transfer icon, and from here you want to send from your PayPal account to your Binance account. So you're going to go ahead and tap on send. All right, from here you're going to go out of here and you're going to go and look for the address from your Binance Bitcoin account. So we're going to jump out and we're going to look into our Binance account, and from here you're going to go down to the bottom, tap on wallet. Once you've opened up wallet, you can go ahead and look for the search bar at the top of the page, and here you will dial in the cryptocurrency that you would like to be transferring. Now in my case, of course, it is Bitcoin, so I'm going to go ahead and dial that in and tap on Bitcoin. Now again, what's happening from this side is it is a deposit because it's being received into our Binance account. We're going to tap on this, and here you can see the QR code as well as the Bitcoin wallet address. And on the right hand side of that address, there's a little icon there which will allow you to copy this address. So you're going to go ahead and just click on the copy address icon, and we're going to jump back into PayPal, and right at the top where it says search, it also says search by name, phone, email, or BTC address. We're going to enter that address in over there, and you can see you'll have this dialog pop up at the bottom. So once this has been done, you're going to click on that address, and here you can enter the amount of Bitcoin that you would like to transfer from your PayPal account to your Binance account. From here, you can see you'll have to do a short security check. You're just going to tap on next. You'll get a 6-digit code, and you can see now you'll have to review your transaction. You can see who it's going to, who you're sending it to, how much you're sending, and then just the estimated delivery time and the total amount after conversion. And once you are happy with this, you're going to go ahead, tap on send now. Now, if you'd like to know more about finance apps, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of amazing content to help you learn, to help you grow. We'll see you over there, folks. Peace out.